Okay, so with the floss picks, same concept. You're gonna place it between the tooth and the gum. You wanna go under that gum tissue called the papilla on both sides, just like that. Slide it under the gum, and you can see that I'm getting some food out and a little tiny bit of bleeding. So this wouldn't happen if you were just popping it in and out. You wouldn't be getting the food out that is under that papilla. So make sure you're very thorough with these floss picks, and you want to rinse it between teeth in the sink so that you don't transfer the bacteria from one site to another. So again, you place it between the tooth and the gum and go on each side of that triangle of gum tissue. And it's a little bit more difficult in the back, but it can be done. So go ahead and open for me. Same thing. Right on each side of that triangle. Just like that. And if you see that bleeding, that means you need to get in there more thoroughly or more often, and that'll clear up in about a week.